Happy World Fashion Day, my fantastic family, friends and fans. 21st August is marked yearly to celebrate the art and spirit of fashion across the world. Onye yili nkilika akwa, agwa ya nkilika okwu is very similar to the adage that says, dress as you wish to be addressed. If you wear rags, you will be spoken to anyhow. Dress according to your body type, taste, and comfort. But please, don't be a fashion victim. What you wear speaks volumes about your personality. But do make sure you respect the traditions or the dress code of wherever you live or visit. What is acceptable in one place is not in another. And what is suitable for a particular occasion might not be perfect for the other. Don't overdress or underdress as a guest. Make sure to always find out what is expected. If you have any doubt, ask the organizers for tips on what to wear to the event you've been invited. Let us save the planet, please. Indulge in sustainable fashion. Don't discard your clothes that are not worn out. Please do your best and let us all save this beautiful world that God gave to us. Loads of love from Her Excellency, Chief Princess Mrs. Nwanne Campo Diosodieme of Oka Kingdom in Anambra State of Nigeria.